Most people get this wrong. They think FlexPay is just another buy now, pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that FlexPay has transformed into a full-featured financial tool that combines early wage access, flexible installment plans, and spending management all in one simple app. Here's how it works. First, FlexPay allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. This is perfect for unexpected bills, emergency expenses, or urgent purchases without relying on high-interest credit cards or loans. Second, FlexPay lets you split eligible purchases into small, predictable installments. This makes budgeting easier, especially for larger expenses you might otherwise struggle to pay in full. The app also provides a dashboard that tracks advances, upcoming payments, and overall spending. Notifications and alerts ensure you never miss a payment, which is crucial for avoiding fees and staying on top of your finances. The downside, overusing FlexPay can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can accumulate fees, and relying too heavily on the app may mask underlying financial issues. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installments you can realistically pay back. 2. Keep notifications on to avoid late payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on FlexPay. Who benefits most? People with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash for help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may end up paying more than they save. In conclusion, FlexPay in 2026 is a convenient and flexible financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track your repayments, avoid unnecessary advances, and use it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and practical money tips to stay in control of your finances.